Hi there, this is Dr. C. Sonia, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Today, we are going to see about the water quality parameters in this video. So, the contents are introduction, we are going to see about physical parameters, followed by chemical parameters. So, explanation on COD and TDS, then biological parameters, explanation of BOD. So, water quality parameters are essential indicators used to evaluate the suitability and the safety of water for various purposes. The physical parameters like temperature, the temperature which measures the heat content of water, pH, it indicates the acidity or alkalinity of water, dissolved oxygen, it's essential for aquatic life. Low dissolved level can harm organisms. Turbidity measures the cloudiness or clarity of water. Conductivity it reflects the ability of the water to conduct electricity. Total solids includes both dissolved and suspended solids. Chemical parameters. Chlorine, it's used for disinfection. Hardness measures the presence of calcium and magnesium ions. Alkalinity, it measures the buffering capacity of water. Chemical oxygen demand or COD, it reflects the organic pollution. Nutrients, that is the nitrogen phosphates, affect the water quality and eutrophication is caused by that. Heavy metals, example lead and mercury, they are harmful pollutants. Next is the biological parameters. So the biological parameters we have the bacteria. They indicate the fecal contaminant, that is the coliform bacteria, algae. They can cause taste and odor issues. Viruses pose health risk. Biological oxygen demand or BOD, it measures the organic matter decomposition. So we'll see the physical parameters in detail. So in this we are going to include the taste and odor. So taste, palatability. Water with a pleasant taste is more likely to be consumed. Clean, fresh water should taste neutral or slightly sweet. Salinity. High salt content can make the water taste salty and brackish, rendering it unappealing. Metallic taste, elevated levels of metals like iron and or manganese can impart a metallic taste. Chlorine taste, chlorine is commonly used for disinfection, while necessary and excessive chlorine taste is undesirable. Sulfur taste, hydrogen sulfide from decaying organic matter can cause a rotten egg smell and taste. Odor. So, aesthetic concern for the odor is foul smelling water is aesthetically unpleasant and may discourage the use of the water. Causes. Algae. Algae blooms can produce musty or earthy odors. Decomposing organic matter. Bacteria breaking down organic material can create unpleasant smell. Sulfur compounds. Hydrogen sulfide produce a characteristic rotten egg odor. Industrial or chemical contaminants. Certain chemicals can cause strong odors, health implication. While odor alone doesn't necessarily indicate the health risk, it can signal underlying issues. Temperature. So, water temperature affects the various biological and the chemical processes. For instance, it influences the solubility of gases like oxygen in water. Cold water can hold more dissolved oxygen than warm water. When you see about the pH, it measures the acidity or the alkalinity of water. A pH of 7 is neutral. Below 7, it's acidic, and above 7, it's alkaline. Actually, the optimal pH varies depending on the intended use. For example, drinking water, aquatic ecosystems. Dissolved oxygen. So, dissolved oxygen is crucial for aquatic organisms. It supports fish and other aquatic life. Low dissolved oxygen level can lead to fish kills and harm ecosystem. Turbidity. Turbidity indicates the cloudiness or the clarity of water due to suspended particles. High turbidity can affect light penetration and aquatic habitats. Conductivity measures the ability of water to conduct electricity. It reflects dissolved ions and can indicate pollution. Total solids include both dissolved and suspended solids. High levels may affect the water quality. Chemical parameters like chlorine is commonly used for the disinfection in water treatment. It kills harmful microorganisms. Hardness results from the calcium and the magnesium ion. It affects the soap effectiveness and can lead to scale buildup. Alkalinity measures the buffering capacity of water. It helps stabilize the pH. COD or chemical oxygen demand quantifies the organic pollutants. High COD indicates pollution. Nutrients impact water quality and eutrophications. And heavy metals we've already seen. And chemical oxygen demand is what it represents the oxygen requires for chemically oxidizing both organic and inorganic substances in wastewater. It uses strong oxidants like potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate. So, what we have to remember from this is COD facilitates the rapid chemical oxidation without additional equipment. It's useful for heavy toxic sewage assessment. Unlike the BOD, COD covers both organic and inorganic pollutants. TDS measures the combined content of the dissolved inorganic and organic substances in water. It includes salts and colloidal particles. TDS is often expressed in ppm, parts per million. Next is the biological parameters. Bacteria, we already seen. This presence of bacteria suggests potential health risk. Algae, it can cause taste and odor issue. And also it produces toxins. Viruses like hepatitis, norovirus can be present in the contaminated water. So BOD of water, that is biological oxygen demand, it measures the amount of oxygen consumed by the microorganisms during organic matter decomposition. High BOD indicates pollution. So BOD measures the amount of oxygen demanded by the microorganisms in sewage or wastewater during the decomposition of biodegradable organic matter under aerobic condition. It's a crucial parameter for assessing the organic quality of water. So there are some points we have to remember regarding this BOD. It reflects the oxygen needed for the bacteria to break down the organic compound in water. The standard BOD test evaluates this oxygen demand over 5 days of incubation at 20 degrees centigrade. BOD values are expressed in milligrams of oxygen consumed per liter of the sample. It helps a water body's self purification capacity and guides pollution control measures. Thank you.